And down came the blue fairy, and she said,
"Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bobbing them on the head. And now I'll give you 3 more chances, and if you keep it up..."
Good morning, hummingbirds. Hi, Kong.
Hello.
Good morning. Oh my God, what big long ears you have.
I'm feeling very happy today.
Are you feeling happy today, just like Kong? So today's project, we're going to try drawing rabbits and hares.
Bunnies!
That's why Kong has these beautiful bunny ears. Kong, let's introduce the materials.
We need a pencil.
Pencils.
Colored pencils.
Colored pencils.
Marker.
Markers.
And eraser.
Eraser.
Sharpener.
And a sharpener.
And bunny ears.
And bunny ears! Let's get started. We're going to start by drawing the rabbit's head. So how are we going to do that? We're just going to follow me step by step. So what we're going to do first, we need to do the head by beginning by doing a curved line on each side to form the head. So what you're going to do is do like that. And over here, like that. Right? And over here from the center, you're going to do the bunny ears coming out like that. Alright? Over here, another line inside. And then you're going to put the little fine hairs coming out. And on each side, have a little black oval for the eyes. Then like a V shape for the nose. And then the little mouth. And then we add on the whiskers. Did you get that? So for some of you who have problem trying to draw the shape of the head, you can do this by drawing 2 ovals. See, you draw an oval here. And then you draw a smaller oval on top. And then once you got that, what you need to do is you're just going to darken the lines on the outside. See? And use your eraser. Erase the 2 lines inside here. Just like that. I can get the shape of the head. Right? So what we need now are the ears. Hair coming out of the ears. The eyes. Black oval eyes. And the nose, a V shape. And a little mouth. And then the whiskers. Did you get that? Now I'm going to do the body. I'm going to put the little front paws right in front like that. And then I'm going to do the body. And the big paws. And you get your bunny. Let's try another one. Okay. Bunny's head. Right? Then we're going to do the ears. Cute little oval bunny eyes. V shape for the nose, the mouth, the whiskers. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the bunny is sitting in a different position. So you're gonna do a line coming down from here, and then have the little paws coming out like that. Okay, and you're gonna do a big round curve over here. Okay, the big bunny hind paw is. Draw a big curve like that. Okay, and a round cottontail. See, this is how we draw a rabbit. So I finished drawing a rabbit over here. Let's try to draw another one. How about over here? Okay, do you remember the steps? First thing we need to do is to do a curved line like that. Okay, for the head, right? Okay, then we do the ears. Gonna make this ear floppy. Alright. Okay, and then we're going to do the eyes. A little V for the nose. Mouth like that. Cool. Okay. So it's going to come down now, and I'm going to have the paws coming out like that. Now we're going to do a big curve and a big paw, and then the cottontail. We have another bunny. That's cool. Now let's see, what shall we do? We are going to draw a big carrot. How about a big carrot? Put a big carrot like that. Oh, hungry bunny, we have carrots to eat now. And then how about a water bowl? Let's have fun with this. How about my rabbit is wearing a bow tie? Isn't that adorable? How about a rabbit wearing a coat? Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit, they're having lunch at home. So Mrs. Rabbit is sitting in a soft cushion. And what I can do, I can draw a television over here. Let's see, maybe a painting. And it's a painting of little rabbits. What do you think of this picture? Now let's try coloring it. Okay. Just color the rabbit. Oh, I got the wrong color. I like this color called sunflower. It's kind of like a little mix between brown and yellow. Before I do the face, I want to color in the nose and the ears to have a little bit of pink. And then we color it up. And same for this rabbit. Let's give him a blue bow. Pretty blue bow. Oh, it broke. I'm going to change it to green. Then I'm going to use sunflower color. To have fun with my rabbit. Okay. Carrot. What color is the carrot? It's an orange color, right? Bright orange color for the carrot. And I'm going to have green leaves coming out over here. Okay. So, Mrs. Rabbit is sitting on a bright red cushion. She's getting really comfortable and watching TV. I'm Mrs. Rabbit. I'm watching my favorite TV program. Rabbits are us. We're going to add some blue. Add some blue for the water. How about a purple water bowl? Okay. What about the TV? What color could we use for the TV? Let's see. How about a brown color? Nice brown TV. So have fun with your drawing. Think about a story. Maybe your bunny is a princess trapped in a tower, and the prince bunny is going to rescue him. Okay. I think she should have. Oops, broke again. How about a pink coat for Mrs. Rabbit? Here you go, Mrs. Rabbit. You know, looking really pretty today. Okay. The last thing we need to do is the painting. So the painting will have a brown frame. And have the bunnies in there, pink.
bunnies.
And finally, we are going to just color it yellow for the background. Ta-da! We completed our drawing of our rabbit family. I hope you had fun, guys. I hope to see you again soon.